Welcome to today's episode of Nibblin' and Noshin'. I'm Mary Leach, the registered dietitian at Mosaic Life Care Cancer Care in St. Joseph, Missouri. We are so grateful and glad that you are joining us today for this episode. Today, we are actually going to look at a lifestyle change that you can make for healthier eating. And I'm possibly even going to make you more comfortable with the fact that you don't have to give anything up in your eating. So we're going to talk today about a plant-based diet. And with the plant-based diet, one thing I often hear is, does that mean I have to be a vegetarian or a vegan? And by no means do you have to do that. However, we'll just make more of our meals incorporate different plant products. So for example, we have fruits, we have vegetables, we have nuts. All of those are plant-based. Even the dreadful mashed potatoes that some people don't think they can eat, they are a plant product. When we incorporate all of these different plant products into our eating, we get so many more nutrients than just what we would get from meats and fats. So we are going to start with making a salad today. And this is called the winter fruit and cashew salad. What I love about this salad is it can be used as a side salad, or you can also make it into an entree. So one of the things that we can do as we look at this salad or your everyday lifestyle is to look at our meats differently. Now, meats are still important, proteins are still important, but they don't need to be the focal point on our plate. For our salad today, believe it or not, we are going to have approximately 10 or 11 different plant products. So it's a great way to get a large variety into your eating plan. So to start with, we're going to make a homemade dressing. And this dressing includes also several different plant products. Again, I might be pushing the envelope just a bit, but we have sugar. Sugar happens to be a plant product. We have fresh onion, mustard, again, a plant product that we may not think of. We have poppy seeds, lemon juice, and oil. And I just use canola oil because I think the bland flavor blends with everything. And then afterwards, we'll assemble our salad. So we're first going to add our lemon juice. And we have a half a cup of lemon juice, a fourth of a cup of canola oil, a fourth of a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of diced yellow onion, and then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Now, what's great about adding mustard to your dressings is it does act as an emulsifier, so it helps bring our liquids together with our oils. And now I'm going to make a little noise as I get this going. And we'll scrape that down just a bit to get that mustard mixed in there. Nice flavor. Nice aroma. I wish that you could smell that there. And then we'll add in 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. And we'll just do that quick mix. What I love also about this dressing is it would work great for a marinade. So you could use that to marinate your steak or even some chicken breast before you cook it to make a full meal out of your salad. For our salad part, I have a bag of spinach and a bag of spring mix. You can use whatever lettuces or salads, greens that you like. If you prefer iceberg lettuce, you could incorporate some of that, or romaine lettuce. But again, this is spinach and spring mix. Then we're going to add a diced apple and a diced pear. And these are such wonderful flavors now that we're in fall. So we will just place those in there. We also have 1/4 of a cup of dried cranberries that we'll sprinkle on there. 4 ounces of shredded Swiss cheese, another great source of protein, and then a cup of whole cashews. And we will just do that. And we will toss this all together. And then to serve, simply you can place this onto your serving plate. Hopefully not make a mess the way I did. And if it's a side salad, you could do a smaller serving, but we'll just say this is a lovely entree. And then I have some grilled chicken breast that we can just place on there as well. So you have options here. You can marinate your chicken in this dressing and cook that yourself, or simply you can use rotisserie chicken from the store, or even grilled chicken that you've done. You could use steak on there. You could use a piece of salmon on there if you like that. So we will now add a bit of dressing to this. And for side salads, or if you're serving guests, I would put your dressing into a cruet or something like a gravy boat so they can serve their own. But you can also mix it all together if you want to take it to a potluck. And that way you don't have to worry about the extra dishes. As you can see, there are so many different ways to incorporate more plant products into your eating. We hope that you have enjoyed this episode of Nibblin' and Noshin', and if you have questions, as our viewers did, we would love to hear them. Until next time, we hope you enjoy your Nibblin' and Noshin', and make sure to get plenty of plant products in there.